If you're thinking about signing up for Embody GLP-1, don't spend your money until you know the full picture because this program looks promising on the surface. But there are a few important details that many people overlook. Embody is an online weight loss platform that connects eligible patients with licensed healthcare providers to evaluate whether GLP-1 medications like semaglutide or tirzepatide are appropriate for them. It focuses on convenience by offering virtual consultations, ongoing medical support, and prescription management, allowing many users to avoid frequent in-person clinic visits. The biggest attraction is the simplified process. But it's important to understand that approval is never guaranteed, and medication availability can vary depending on your location, medical history, and supply. In terms of results, many users report noticeable weight loss over time when they consistently follow their treatment plan, maintain a calorie-controlled diet, and stay physically active. However, these medications are not miracle solutions, and individual results differ significantly. Some people experience excellent progress, while others lose weight more gradually or discontinue treatment because of common side effects such as nausea, constipation, diarrhea, or reduced appetite. Pricing is another factor worth considering because the total cost may include consultation fees, medication costs, and ongoing membership expenses, making it more expensive than many people initially expect. Customer feedback is generally mixed rather than overwhelmingly positive or negative. Many users appreciate the convenience, responsive medical team, and structured approach, while others mention concerns about medication availability, waiting times, pricing, or customer support experiences. Overall, Embody appears to be a legitimate telehealth service rather than a scam, but that doesn't automatically make it the right choice for everyone. If you qualify medically, understand the costs involved, and have realistic expectations about weight loss results, it could be a useful option. On the other hand, if you're expecting rapid, effortless weight loss or the cheapest possible treatment, you may end up disappointed. The smartest approach is to carefully compare your options, review the complete pricing, and speak with a qualified healthcare provider before making your final decision.